History of mutual funds. Historians are uncertain about the origin of the mutual funds, or we can say investment funds. Today we have clear definition of the mutual funds, regulator monitoring the functioning of the mutual funds, but at the very beginning it was limited to certain feature. History of mutual funds in the world. It started in early 1770s. The mutual fund was born from a financial crisis that staggered Europe in 1770s. In year 1774, a Dutch merchant named Adrian van Katwijk created investment trust. The main idea behind forming the trust was to pool money from the many investors so that their risk would be diversified. In the current mutual fund setup, investments are not backed by any other assets. However, financial risk of the investors in Adrian's fund was backed by income from plantation. The financial risk to the small investors was spread by diversifying across a number of European countries and the American colonies, where investments were backed by income from plantation, an early version of today's mortgage-backed securities, we can say. Adrian van Katwijk called his close-ended fund as Eendracht maakt macht, which means unity creates strength. Why it was closed-ended fund? Because there was only 2000 units were available and it was open to public until all the 2000 units were purchased by the investors. After the initial subscriptions, fund was available by buying units from the existing unit holders in the open market. Adrian van Katwijk fund survived until 1824. Year 1822. Some cites that closed-ended investment companies launched by King William I in the Netherlands in 1822 as the first mutual funds. The early mutual funds spread were of the closed-end variety, issuing a fixed number of shares. The next wave of near mutual funds included an investment trust launched in Switzerland in 1849, followed by a similar vehicle created in Scotland in the 1880s. Year 1893. The idea of pooling resources and spreading risk using closed-ended investments soon took root in Great Britain and France, making its way to the United States in 1890s. The Boston Personal Property Trust, formed in 1893, was the first closed-ended fund in the US. Year 1907. The creation of the Alexander Fund in Philadelphia in 1907 was an important step in the evolution toward what we know as the modern mutual fund. The Alexander Fund featured semi-annual issues and allowed investors to make withdrawal on demand. Then comes year 1928. The creation of the Massachusetts Investors Trust in Boston heralded the arrival of the modern mutual fund in 1924. The fund was opened to investors in 1928. And then after it progressed, stock markets ups and downs had impact on mutual fund markets too. So from year 1928 till now, mutual fund industry has seen so many ups and downs. If I try to look at 2019 facts at a glance, then these are the result. Total worldwide assets invested in regulated open-end funds were $54.9 trillion. Out of that, in United States alone, it was $25.7 trillion. In Europe, it was $18.8 trillion. Asia Pacific, it was $7.3 trillion. And rest of the world, $3.1 trillion. So here you can see, though it originated from Netherlands, but later on it spread more in United States. Here it is important fact that mature economies such as the US have an asset to GDP ratio of 113% with 44% of households having investment in mutual funds. Even an emerging economies like Brazil is at 59% of GDP, meaning in US mutual fund investment are more than the GTP value. For further reading, I have also provided the source so you can look into it.